When we got here to Monterrey, we had a feeling, some feeling for the city, but had no idea what an extraordinary experience it would be for this wonderful city that, with so many people, feels so small and so welcoming.
Del mero San Luisito, porquería hay en Monterrey. De los barrios, el más querido por ser el más reino. Sí, señor. Barrio donde nací.
Now I got to look at the artwork. Everything here is new. All the parts are new. I had no intention of being able to be this inventive with the parts. We just got lucky. Whoa, look at that. Oh. Mexico, of course, is this country that's famous for its silver, and they made silvered glass. It was sort of called the poor man's silver. So it was just a logical place to do it. If it could come in a little, yeah, maybe up a little higher. Well, yeah, can you do that? No problem? Okay, you got to fill it. I want each chandelier to be from the country that they were made in. So Mexico, I want them to look like Mexican ones. Finland, Finnish. Irish, Irish. I don't want to come down here to Mexico to make what I can make in my own shop. I mean, I would prefer to have it, to learn from the experience.
Bravo!
Monterrey is one of these places that is an extraordinary feeling. I mean, there's 4 million people here, but yet it seems like about the size of my hometown of Tacoma. Bravo! Yes, all right. Now we're talking.
This is the best so far, I think. I think everybody's happier. We're more organized. I think my job here this time, the last few days anyway, have been to try and keep Dale focused while the cameras are around, just to keep him happy, to help him to make what he wants to make, to remind him what he told me in the morning he wanted to make in the afternoon. And he's happy, so that's good. His temperament is very good this time. And he got lots of sleep last night, so he's rolling today.
The second one doesn't have to go in very far. It's only a setting, one ball. Maybe just go down the thing real quick. You should have had one out of the oven by now. Hey, spin it, spin it. Yes. I know, sometimes I needle them in the right way, sometimes I needle them in the wrong way, you know. I'm sure sometimes they don't like to see me coming around the corner.
So that's the biggest thing working with Dale, is just learning all these different techniques. You know, in the back of my mind, I'm thinking, again, I really hope Dale likes this. You know, it's important to make him happy.
After I get done needling them, even if nothing comes from it, I know that what I do is going to stick with him.
I'm just now starting to learn what he likes, and you know, just being around him and seeing what's going on, learning his aesthetic, and really trying to cater to that.
Good. That's real nice the way it is. It's okay to swing overhead, but try to learn to do it no more than you have. It's a bad movement class job. Yeah, it's okay to do it. I'm just saying, no, generally it's a bad move, period. Most guys do it to show off.
I think he likes that I'm open to experimentation, you know, and that I'll try anything once.
That's good. They look great. I'm just sort of throwing you a curve.
bit nervous. I didn't know what to expect. And the first couple days, everyone was a little cautious. And the other day, one of the men came up to me and said that they thought it was an honor and a blessing to have a woman blow glass in this factory. Now they, bring me pieces of candy and gum. It's been very different than what I thought it would be, and I feel very comfortable here. They've been very warm and welcoming to me.
Too much.
He's looking at the work time and time again as he walks past it. So as a result, the ideas start flowing and the work gets better and better and better, So having the ability to spontaneously go ahead and make whatever's in his mind with the 3 teams that are available to him is a real great thing.
There's something that we got here that we wouldn't get anywhere else. Because I've been making these chandelier things for Dale with these guys, Pat and Joe and Rick, for 2.5 years, and this is some of the best stuff we've made.
It's really fun to look at the stuff you've made that very day, which we never get to do. In fact, a lot of the time I don't even get to see the stuff that we make. It just goes somewhere. Here I get to see it being put up the very day.
Coming to Mexico, I didn't know what I was going to do. I wanted it simpler, so I decided that I'd put it in the factory, and had no idea of how extraordinary this factory is. And so we decided to hang them not only in the factory, but outside around the factory with these incredible towers and silos. And I love these old factories. I mean, I think everybody loves these old factories. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, hi. How are you?
Hello.
Nice to meet you. Oh, how right. Well, it sort of looks, it might look like the social aspect of it comes easy for me, but I mean, maybe the social part of it does, but it's difficult. Normally, I kind of make an appearance at the parties, or, I'll come out and walk around and make a drawing, but I don't like to work the crowd. I may look like I like to work the crowd, but I don't. I could completely, be the mad artist working without having to talk to anybody. They'd probably put up with that. But when I come to a place like Monterrey, where so many people are really interested in what we're doing, they're talking about it, they're wanting to see it, and, I'm very happy to do it. I mean, I'm really happy that a lot of people have enjoyed this as much as we have. Maybe I'll being Margaret is there, maybe I'll make her a drawing.
Yes.
All right. Glass blowing is a little like making a drawing, or the way I draw anyway, which is very spontaneous, fast, immediate. I don't work it over. You notice I do the damn thing, I get it over with, I don't go back in and work on it. I'd rather just start over. And the same with the glass blowing. Make the piece, get it done, and finish it. You just have to go with this wonderful material the way it wants to be. I mean, you don't have to, it's just the way I like my work to look. I wanted it all to be natural. That's what I was trying to do with Rick today, to get him so that he could come down, put the neck on the ball, pull it out, and take what he gets. Get off of it, Rick. Don't do any more than you have to. Just cut it. The glass doesn't really like to be cut. No reheats, no mold, no nothing. Yeah, you can heat it up if you want a little bit. You did your cut already in the middle. You know, stay there. Yeah. Let it go. Let it flow. That way you just go with it. Boom. Finished. You're done.
Went pretty much as I thought. I think it's been exciting. It's always exciting with with Dale around. There's not a dull moment.
You doing good today? How is he?
Oh, he's doing very good.
He's all right.
Yeah.
The workers of the factory, I'm sure that they've been enjoying all those days and learning a lot. It's going to be something like a line before Dale and after Dale.
And the most wonderful thing, the most fun part of it was when everybody got in the place where they were supposed to work and everything was running smoothly. That was the best.
Well, I'm going to feel sad because they're leaving. I like these people. I like it very, very much. Maybe when they go, I'm going to feel a little bit sad.
All right, the last big flow. All right, all right. All right.